Massage Room Mindfulness: How to Create a Healing Space that Restores You Too. Video Focus and Purpose. This video gently teaches massage therapists and spa professionals how to transform their workspace into a restorative environment, not just for clients, but for themselves. It's about intentional design, energetic awareness, and mindful presence in the treatment room. As therapists, we create healing spaces for others. But your room should do more than restore your clients. It should restore you too. Today on Beyond the Massage Table, let's explore how to create a massage space that feels calm, supportive, and energetically balanced for both client and therapist. Part 1: The Energy of a Room. Every room holds energy. When you walk into your treatment space, does it calm you? Or does it hold leftover tension? Creating a healing room begins with intention. The energy you bring in is just as important as the tools you use. Part 2: Sensory Grounding. Start with your senses. Lighting. Use soft, warm tones that relax you as much as your client. Sound. Choose music or nature sounds that keep your nervous system calm. Scent. Use essential oils or incense that ground you, not just impress your guests. This isn't just about ambience, it's about support. Between sessions. Between clients, your room becomes your reset zone. Open a window. Stretch your arms. Take 60 seconds to breathe. Lightly clear the energy, physically and mentally. These tiny rituals shift your state from giving to receiving. Part 3: Mindful Anchors. Place small reminders in your room just for you. A grounding stone near your oil warmer. A calming mantra taped inside your drawer. A piece of art that makes you exhale. These quiet details bring you back to center, especially on the hard days. Part 4: Space Reflects Self. Your space reflects your energy, and your energy reflects your care for yourself. If your room feels chaotic, cluttered, or stale, pause and realign. The more you protect your environment, the more it protects you. Your massage room is more than your workplace. It's your sanctuary, your space for healing, for them and for you. If this video resonated with you, subscribe to Beyond the Massage Table for weekly calm and wellness support. And let us know. What do you do to keep your space sacred? Beyond the Massage Table, tune into your body and reclaim your calm.